Luke, y'all hold tight. Sean said he's about 5 minutes out. Let's go ahead, before we do anything else right here, I want to spray this again. We'll just go ahead and spray this out while we got it going. No, you can, you can pull the paper down here for right now. That down there's got plenty of tack on it. We don't need to do it. I just want to hit this again before we move on. It's everybody's arch nemesis, the Tack Wagon, right? So they make better ones now. They're all Lee boys. They're good. There's nothing wrong with them. Just, you better know what you're doing when you crank one. All right, so we're going to open this bypass valve. Come down here. Open this bad boy. So you can hear the engine start to change tunes on us. And I can feel on this pipe right here, we just got a brand new Sean's in the truck. So while it's circulating, we're letting it back up. Just got a tank full of tack. We use CRS1. It's what I've used my entire career, unless we've been running a big distributor truck. Seems to work just fine for what we do, but one is the one that we use in these smaller machines. Typically, in the past, I would have been the one spraying. These guys have their uniform pants on. The Centos happily washes for them and not their wives. So I'm gonna let them spray this one just so Catherine doesn't have to do that when I get home. All right, so now this is what really matters, getting the tack coat on this thing. Just making sure that we got a good thick coat. I would say thick, it just needs to be consistent. TJ, make sure you got it good on there, okay? We got plenty of tack, so just make sure you get plenty on there. There's almost a fine line in spray and tack. You can spray too much, cause it to slide. You can spray not enough, cause it to slide. You just don't want it pulling up on it. But spraying with a wand, typically we're not gonna have too much on it by spraying with a wand.